Welcome to the first Marco Nat Culinary Arts Cooking Challenge Extravaganza.
First, let's spin for the requirements of the dish.
Your parameters have now been selected. You must have beef, rice, and it must be a Mexican dish. You have 75 minutes.
3, 2, 1, and begin.
Oh.
So we need some.
We came here to win.
Now, at this point in the competition, how would you get started with it?
Well, first, of course, I would make the rice. The rice, the grain, is the base. It is the home. From there, I would cook the meat, I would season the meat, and then I would fuse. No, it's not. It's a cheese grater.
Yeah, we chefing up.
What are you thinking about making today?
We're gonna make some tacos. Where's the tortilla? I think of cooking as an art, and it's very peaceful to me when I'm cooking. I don't think of anything else other than what's in front of me.
We need 2 cups of this. Yeah. So I put
Can I get the rice first? Where's the rice?
Oh yeah, what?
If I don't win, I'm going on a rampage. I'm turning to Gordon Ramsay. I'm throwing stuff. Where's the lamb sauce, bro?
I think black is water. Hey, so eat this.
Oh my god.
What are you cooking today? And how are you gonna cook it?
We're gonna make some water.
Today, we're here to win and dominate this competition. People would describe me easily as the best chef in this region.
Having a little sleep. How do you do it, though?
What can I say? I was hungry.
I've been alive for 15 years now. These past 15 years, I've spent a lot of time in the kitchen. You know, my experience, it's a family tradition. My family came from Scotland. You don't really hear about Scotland food. But today, it's Mexican food, and I'm here to prove myself. I'm here to show my talents, and you're gonna see in the final what happens.
You have 1 hour left.
Let's see how to cook right. So we need. Can you get a pot? I don't know what to do with this.
When I was younger, I would just make brownie batter from the box from Hannaford.
Well, somebody film this. This is very close to one.
I'm confused.
Now, what are your thoughts on this cutting job right here? What are your thoughts on this cutting job?
I just felt kind of like a stab in the heart, to be honest, because I was cutting potatoes and I don't think it's like that deep.
It's far too hot. What is she doing?
It looks like rice pudding.
This is a disaster. Sims 4.
I think people would describe me like maybe as like annoying and super loud, and you know, sometimes I've heard people call me stupid.
What did happen?
This is really frustrating. I've never seen rice look like this. So I do more baking than cooking. Some people are being very mischievous in the kitchen.
What the f***? Why is it brown?
Boiling water. You put seasoning in our water.
Yeah. Ethan, are the reports true? Are the reports true?
No. Well, spending 15 years in the kitchen, you know things have to be done in order to win and come out on top. In some cases, that might mean putting chili powder in your opponent's boiling water.
Ellie, okay.
Yeah?
How's it going here? Because you guys look like you're in a bit of a mess. I'm making meatloaf, Ellie? What is it?
I didn't appreciate that at all. I mean, like, I already had like Mr. Netto and Mrs. Selberg like yelling at me like, "Why'd you put butter and oil in the pan? Like, it already has oil." I'm just a girl. Like, I don't know this stuff.
Minutes remain.
You can still see a little bit of pink here and there. I'm gonna flip it, make sure it's good all around.
Why do you guys believe that you should win this competition?
Because we just should. I'm not gonna get into too much detail, but my mom wasn't always there. I'd have to take care of my siblings and stuff, help around the house, clean, cook, and that's where cooking really came in for me.
You know what?
You use our parchment paper. That's lovely.
This is not your part.
The one that was already there.
Well, because I'm not gonna waste paper.
Why do you guys believe that you should win this competition?
Women's History Month. Women's History Month.
Nat, are you eating their food?
Wait, he said I'm allowed to.
Currently, I'm seeing the other team struggling trying to press their own tortillas, but they forgot that they were pre-made tortillas.
Everyone, you have 10 minutes left.
We don't have any sauce.
Contestants, there is 30 seconds left.
We have 10.
Stop it!
Hey, no,
That's not funny.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done.
First off, John Paul and Caleb.
Hello, chef. Homemade tortillas. We have for you some rice, some freshly cooked beef. Brought you a couple glasses of water, some homemade guacamole. Topped off, little cilantro, the lime on the edge.
Wow, I love the crunch of the edge.
Cooked to perfection, I'd say the whole thing. I'd say the flavor is not all there. Too salty, I would say.
If we're doing it out of 10, I would give it a 7.
I'm giving it 7.5. Thank you. Ellie and Brooke, may you please come up?
Today we have made for you an opened breakfast burrito, and we did like kind of a chorizo style ground beef. We have some rice, some eggs, some lime, a little garnish, and a few peppers are hiding underneath all that. Avocado, corn tortilla, and some well-cooked potatoes, home fries.
What inspired you guys to present us burnt beef? This beef is beyond browned.
You just get more flavor that way, okay?
Yeah, so this is actually a tactic that like for generations my family has used, that we, in order to get like all the juice out of it, you have to brown it a little bit more than necessary. And also, that's how we let the lime soak into the beef.
Let's move on to the potatoes. The potatoes taste wonderfully. They're a little underdone, but good job on those. Now, that is a wonderful tortilla. The color is not quite appetizing, but I think your flavors are there.
Yeah, it's a bit too salty. I give it a 6.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
Thank you so much for your time.
And now we win our final group.
Chefs, I present to you Nino and Veltos with a taco and rice. Please sit down.
Flour tortilla. Explain.
This is a traditional Mexican piece. Very tasty, better than your traditional corn tortilla. As you can see, it's more appealing and very thin.
I will say this is a nearly perfect tortilla. The best presentation we've had.
Yes, of course, of course.
Edgar, what would you call this?
This is
roll.
the Nino and Veltos, which is a traditional Mexican bread, which is rolled and has cinnamon and sugar.
And you did not use a recipe for this?
No, this was straight from the mind of Edgar Meredith.
That's impressive, young man.
The bread is slightly undercooked and it's really not sweet at all. I will give it a 6.
I will. I will give it a 9.
It appears we have a winner. Edgar and Ethan have won.
You know, we came into this challenge today believing that we would win, and we came here and we delivered. It just speaks to our character, our hard work, and ultimately our cooking expertise.
We were the superior team.
The judges are imbeciles. They're
Horrible.
so bad. They know that we should have won.
Oh my gosh, that group, there was nothing to their meal.
I tried it after. Their rice was bland. Their bread was so bad. It tasted like just flour. It just tasted like flour.
I've heard a lot of excuses, but in the end, we got the highest score. And because of that, I'm officially announcing my retirement from all future cooking challenges.